tonight po. It's a festival to pack the league. Andito na mga sikat at sikat. We're here live right now for the third season countries in Doha to witness a match between Team Kabsat in maroon and white combination versus of course Team Kabsat po yan, and versus also in Team Lucky Fella. USA Motive po yan in black and gold combination. This also ating details to you and we're getting the following sponsors: MK3, Aqua Plus Star, Fusion Forward Shot, Complete Advertising, Money Capago, and of course, that's for the information. And po ang mga sponsors pa. Okay, first game for tonight between Team Lucky Fellas versus Team Kabsat. Also, thank you po pala for good and popular practice for giving the ordinance and the piece of the game. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, and also ang ating pong guest co-host po, si Mr. George. Kanya po yan. Marinig po po sa also, kung gutom po kayo, meron po tayong pagkain po dyan, pero pa po Chef Frank Restaurant. Chef Frank Restaurant po yan, dyan po yan ha. Quality po sa po ng Chef Frank Restaurant. Kung kayo po yung gutom po mamaya, meron po tayong pagkain dyan. Sugot yan ng Chef Frank Restaurant. Okay. Okay, first quarter of the match for Team Kabsat, Tagyam, Hamza, number 7, number 9, and number 11. Para po sa Team Lucky Fellas po, paparating na po sila. Team Lucky Fellas, isa idol. Okay, isang paro pala, isa po. And Team Lucky Fellas po, si number 24, number 2, number 5, number 3 rather, number 7, and also to complete the list now is number 20 po para sa Team Kabsat. Team Lucky Fellas rather. Team Lucky Fellas po in USA motive, Star Spangled motive po yan, black and gold combination, while Team Kabsat po is in maroon, white, and black motive po yan. This is si Joe Arvin G Vlog si Joe, and welcome to the first game tonight between Team Kabsat and LF First quarter, ito na, Bravo ng Kabsat. Mata, sampasa, pinato, outside. Tumama sa bakal. Mama sa bakal. Okay. Bola po ng Team Lucky Fellas. Lucky Fellas. Ay, ma'am. Hello, mga pusi. Good evening po. Dito po kayo dito. Magwesa. Video. Paksak. Okay, 2 points. Lucky Fellas. Number 20. Opening Tano. Okay, now Tagyam for 3. Nope, ayaw niya. Drag mo nito siya. Copy shot, malakas. Ibang barrel now. Won by Lucky Fellas. Number 7. 2 points. Number 7, 2 points. Ito na si Quinto. May kaka ng bola mula yun. Lucky Fellas gets the score. Lucky Fellas, slicing. No. Again, ibang barrel 1. By Lucky Fellas. Lucky Fellas. Nako, nakulit dito sana. Na ano lang. Okay, sino to? Eto na. Number 3. Remedyo. Wala. Number 28. Number 28. Nako, Quinto. Pass break. Amparo. Power move. Quinto. Quinto. Tagyam! Ako, litaw. Foul, call pa Tagyam. Number 3, call for the foul. Tagyam. This week is brought to you by M23 Restaurant and also Aquafos Qatar. Tagyam, first throw. Pasok. Second throw ni Tagyam, jumpers ready. Second throw, Tagyam, jumpers ready. Pasok pareho. 4-2. Naman pa rin po ang team Lucky Fellas ng dalawa. Tumili po tayo. Ito naman, thank you po pala sa ating friend of yours right now. And please do like, share, subscribe sa aming Facebook page. Yes, with you. And also, this also will be later po. This will be later po also in RBG Vlogs. Quinto, nakuha ng Lucky Fellas. Well, intercepted. Palpal sana, pero may sabit si referee. May sabit daw, sabi ni referee Hans. May sabit daw. Amparo called for the foul. Quintorano called for the foul. Calo shooting for 2. Ano po yan ng 3 Guns Barbershop, Imprint Advertising, and Qatar Sublimation. And also, sama na po na ang HB Kicks. From Jordan Silverons, 8 big kicks had it all for you. HB Kicks. Second throw. Pasok. Okay, early time of the call by Kabsan. May Coach Tay. Coach Tay called for early time already.
Alright. Favorite mo ba yan? Yes, favorite mo. Shout out sa ating tuloy-tuloy.
Okay, this is for Encuentro Cafe Restaurant. Luxury by Shati. Of course, nandiyo po ang Longbar Restaurant. Maraming subuan ang pagkumili po ng the best place in Longbar in town. Nandito po ang Decado Restaurant. The fine dining school po ang tagpuin ng Decado Restaurant. Ang last score po natin dito pala and si Iowa Nation. Okay, dito tayo. 2-5 points, 8 minutes remaining. Quinto. Master. Tagyam. Power move. Nope. Ayaw. Pivot move. Nawala ang bola. Couple. Up. Traveling violation call. Traveling violation call on Team Lucky Fellas. Team Kabsat po ang bola. 7 minutes 44 remaining. Hoy! Okay, chill lang muna po at chill lang. Chill lang po, chill lang. Okay, meeting muna mga referee.
Wait lang mga boss.
Wait lang po tayo.
Sabi muna natin.
Ano muna, chill lang tayo. Aga-aga. Okay, your cover from
Okay, Rep. Let's get it on.
The verdict po will be handed now by the one referee. Okay, the verdict is Anspo foul called.
Okay, for our judges, so we have a sport on my phone, number 7, and a pushing foul by
Anspo
number...
foul
Okay, number 7, out mo na raw. 2
and
minutes. Yes,
pushing
muna for
foul
2 minutes.
number 23. Okay, Tagyam shooting for 2 dahil po sa Anspo po ni number 7.
Okay,
2 shots po yan, plus ball possession. First shot made. Andun po yun also ng Iowa Nation and Lux Chloe. Sama na po natin ang Decado Restaurant and also Luxury by Shati and
First quarter pa lang, ang init na naman. Tapos sport pa ang finals ng championship.
And also Longbar Restaurant po pala. 2 shots made po kagad. Di Tagyam. Plus ball possession po ng Team Kabsat. Quinto for 3. No! Rebound para kay Master, pero wrong by Lucky Velas. Okay, foul.
Number 7, pushing now.
Amparo called for a foul ng Kabsat. Again, inbound din po ang team Lucky Velas.
Again, 3. And
Thank you. Nice self defense. Good luck. Number 11. Now, kay Quinto. Quinto naman ulit. Quinto. Quinto. Nice pass. Master. Sayang. Sayang, di pumasok yung Master. Pero tingnan natin po sa linya.
number 2, Vegas on the pass.
Master number 30 shooting for 2. Handog po ito ng the following sponsors. Nandito po siyempre ang McDonald's Qatar. Sama na po natin ang Marnica Cuisine and Marnica Cargo and also Janice Cometio.
Numbers ready on Master
Up
number
sa
30.
bagay, wala pareho. Okay, rebound battle ng by Team LF Lucky Velas.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ugay. Ugay, may takan ng bola kay Samparo. Ugay, pinapakay masyado ng paro. Number 3, Taylor shot. Good goal.
Ganda naman ang crossover. Bigyan naman.
Amparo.
Tayo.
Tagyam. Ayun, sayang.
Ready namin ang
Rapper ang pass doon natin. It's a traveling goal. Traveling violation po
Violation by number 9.
Number 9 ko for drive violation again. Team Lucky Velas Manila. Team 11 team pa ang namin po, Ugay. Ugay. Inasa, dakuan. Amparo. Wala. Patay. Amparo. Super sa Amparo. Amparo called for 2. It's good. Ito po tayo. Okay, now change. Dito rin po. 6-7. Number 3. Shake and bake. That's it. Piraso natin ng Marcon. No. Number 2. Pasok 3. Wala pasok pasa. Walang katira. Power move. And one play made. Nice bounce ng number 11. Okay, this free throw is brought to you by, of course, nandiyo po ang Janice Cometio and also MC Cargo ng yung pagkaran sa amin ay lagi safe at sigurado. Marnica Cargo. Diyan po yan sa Dolong Branch, 1 in Doha and 1 in Dubai. Okay, puro shot made now. Now, change verbo po tayo. Kabsat. Laban na po ng 2-9-7. At 5 minutes, 24 seconds remaining of the first quarter action. Number 3. Nakuha sana. Binabantayan. Number 9 against number 3. Number 2. Oh! Si Sam nandiyan din po pala. Okay.
Ball number 9.
Ball number 9. Para sa Team Kabsat. And change player na po tayo. Okay, second set of teams. Nandiyan si number 45 ng Hamza, Amparo will stay. Number 35, number 23, and number 69 para sa Team Kabsat. Sa kabila naman si Dongdong. Number 18, number 20, number 7, number 13, and number 23. Si Ugay. Nag-stay din si Ugay. Digrasya again. Digrasya. Nice one. Dongdong. Hamza. Almost at the letter. Ugay sa ilalim. Nailan ang talanganin. Kaya sa ibang bigate. 20. Kick of pass. Sa coach nila. Pagbalit at yan. Kick pass na Amparo. Amparo. Paksa. No. Dong. Now, Digrasya. Ugay for 3. Wala. Nako ni Hamza. No. Okay, ako ni Tagyam. Nako ni Tagyam mo bola. Tagyam. Nagmamalas Tagyam. 2 points sa Tagyam. Tagyam, 2 points. Iba talaga pag malaki mahaba galamay. Parang octopus. Okay, ito po tayo ngayon. Si number 7, number 3. Offline. Nakuha na tagyang bola. Tagyang. Nakuha na di Gracia. May bola. De Gracia intercepted. De Gracia pops up. Ayaw niya sa musla. De Gracia. 2 points. Okay, tagya po tayo. Ay, di pala, 11-9. Naman palang dalawa ang Team Kabsat. De Guzman. Tagyam. Hop! 69. Tagyam for 3. Ayaw. Tagyam. Alpal. Nice interception. Hamza. Hamza. Power move. 2 points. How to stop a freight train? And that's the question. The name of the freight train is Hamza. Santos. Hamza now doing out the Hamza doing out the center position. Okay, nalibis ang Amparo. Amparo again. Amparo. Amparo, tinatoy po ang bola. 2 minutes 54 remaining. The score is 13-9. Tagyam for 3. Ayaw niya muna. Big pass to De Guzman. De Guzman. De Guzman is the guy. Amparo. Nakawala. Ayun. Number 269. De Guzman. Tagyam. Baku. Again, one more time. Tagyam. Power move. 2 points, Tagyam. Tagyam, 2 points. Pila na. Power move. 7, De Gracia. De Gracia pops up. 2 points again. Santos, swap. (15-11) score po natin. 2 minutes 4 seconds remaining of the first quarter action. Tagyam again. Hamza. Hamza. Power move. Binasa mo kay Tagyam. Tagyam. Okay. Ay paro mo na. Paro for 3. Bang! Sige. 3 points si Amparo. Ugay to De Gracia. De Gracia against Amparo. To Jacob Jake. Number 20. Jacob Jake. Napot kay Ugay. To Dongdong. To De Gracia. Ugay. Penny shot. No. Napot kay Ugay. Ugay. Pinasa mo sa labas. To Dongdong. No. Takabuan ito. Again, Ugay. Ugay. Pinasa mo sa labas. De Gracia. Naku ng peke. De Gracia. Dongdong. Foul call. Sayang. Nagawa ng shot clock.
Ball jersey number 15, penalty.
Jersey number 15. 45 rather. Hamza called for the foul. Dongdong shooting for 2. Handog po yan na the final sponsor, Qatar Sublimation at ANC Kitchen. Quality mapagana sa inyong hapag kayo na. ANC Kitchen. ANC Kitchen, chili garlic oil. Okay, Dongdong, second row, jumpers ready.
We just scored 12-18.
Pops up. Okay, good basket 8, the score 18-13. Lamang pa rin po na 5 ang Team Kabsat. De Guzman! Wala! Naku! De Gracia, De Gracia. Angel. Santos. Jacob Jake. Almost lost the ball. Ugay! 2 points. Nice one by Ugay. Wala pa rin kupas. Si paring Ugay. Number 69. May tangan ng bola. Setting the pace. Ayun, naku, na-intercept. Naku ni Hamza. Hamza. Wala. Amparo. Amparo, Amparo. To De Guzman. To Hamza. Foul called. Holding foul called. Number 23, that's Ugay. So for the foul penalty situation po, at 20 seconds remaining po ang team Lucky Peras, LF. Hamza shooting for 200 po ito ng balance sponsors. Nandiyan po ang JPX TV, JPX lang sa kalam, and Winax sa Apparel. Don't get out from your house without wearing it. Yan po ang winner sa parade. First, second throw ni Hansa. Jumpers ready. Number 45 for the second throw. Jumpers ready. Pops up. No! Landos Jacob Jake. Dom. Got shot. Amparo versus the Grasha. Nakalusog si Grasha. Pops up si coach. Wala. Landon. Kick pass na kay Amparo. Amparo. 2 points Amparo. 3 seconds remaining. First quarter is history. Second quarter coming up. Ito po ang PSB Go Back to League. And you're now watching now another championship night tonight between JP. Okay, brain please. Okay. Between Spencer and DJ Diana. Sa aming saying din po yan. But the first thing now you're witnessing right now is between Team Kabsat versus Team LF Lucky Fellas. And we'd like to take the following sponsors na itong winner sa parel, Coach Mike Movement, TJ's Barbershop, TLBL, Imprint Advertising, Ako Mas Qatar, Kapeng Braco may Lumbar, HB Kicks. Ito rin po tayo po, another set of sponsors po natin po right now. Live, nandito po sa Iowa Nation, si Rax Chloe, Decate Restaurant, M20 Restaurant, and Luxury by Shaq. Second quarter coming up.
Back to the ball.
Okay, back to the ball po tayo. Salamat pala sa SPB Cooper, Pagpulong President for maintaining the orderliness and peacefulness of this game. Second quarter action. Okay, Team Kabsat. Lock. Hey, Team Black. Team Lucky Fellas po pala for the ball possession. And DSF for the inbound. Number 3, setting the pace. Nakawala. Number 3, Bishop pass. Pops up, ayaw mo Adwesa. 3-second violation. Bola po ng Kabsat po ninyo mga makabahay ko. Bola muli po ng Kabsat. Number, Hamza. Ayun, kay Master sa ilalim, malakas. Oh, good ball. Remelio. To number 3. Dumdum, kalpal sana, Dumdum. 2 points, Dumdum. Nakalusok. 21-17 naman po rin po ng 4 po ang Team Kabsat. Team Quinto. Ayan, si Sam. Sales, no. Ayun. Nice one by Master. Sales pala yun. Okay, kickball. Naging kickball. Naging football po ang basketball. Kickball. You're watching right now the playing team between Kabsat and Team Lucky Fellas for the first game for tonight. Remeo may tayo ng bola. Ayan. Isa, pops up. Dumdum. Wala. Nakuha ni number 3. Palpal. Master. Rebound para one. By Quinto. Good ball. Ayan. Sales. Wala pa rin. Labas muna raw. Malakas. Hamza. 2 points, Hamza. Hamza. The freight crazy in the name of Hamza. Paano pipigilan yan? Ayan na, Remelio. Remelio, silabas. Muna ang bola. Mainit. Remelio again. Banging body, fadeaway shot. Pasok. Nice shot by Remelio. Fadeaway shot. Nagpakaskas muna. Then, nag-fadeaway bigla. Yan po si Remedio. Number 22 na Kabsat. Nakuha ni Dongdong. Nakuha ni Remedio. Remedio nakabuelo. Tapos. Ingat lang boss. Ingat lang.
Jersey number 8.
Dongdong po para pa. Pushing foul. Moved by Dongdong. Quinto inbounding. And Silas will receive the ball. And to Quinto again.
Rebound by Quinto.
Nice chance and play master. Dongdong, pops up. Wala. Nako ni Quinto. Nako ni Quinto. Quinto, atake daw. Atake, sabi ni Quinto. Quinto. Nako ni Hamza. Hamza, fadeaway shot. Pasok mo. Parang Gerard Hanikat ah. Okay, ulit tayo. Okay, sa iwan po na 6 minutes 22 remaining of the first quarter. Nandun, Chamsa. Ay natin dito, hinahabol na 3. Tupol sa bola. Okay, time out of now by Team LF Lakifelas. This is a PSBQ Basketball League and watching out the team between Team Lakifelas and Team Kabsat. We would like to thank the following sponsors. Una po yan ang M23 Cafe Restaurant, Luxury Bay Shati, Decada Restaurant, Lux Chloe by NYG Trading, and also si Iowa Nation, logging, events, and many more. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. The score is 21-19.
Back to the ball game.
A dominating 10-point lead already been posted by Team Kabsat over the Lakifelas.
Volleyball by Kabsat.
Okay, Dongdong. Dongdong. Ayan na. So, Edwesa, number 2. Number 2 again. Pinasa. Pops number 3. Wala. Ayan. Sales. Hamza! Wala. Offensive foul. Yes, offensive foul na. Master call for offensive foul.
Jersey foul, jersey number 30.
Sayang.
Jersey foul, Kabsat.
Okay, number 2. From number 3. Again. Same thing. Number 3. Remedio. Number 2. Nakuha. Self-defense. Field participation. Quinto. 2 points. Intercepted almost to Dongdong. Running shot made. Again, Hamza. Quinto.
Quinto to
Sales. Pops up for 3. No. Nice. 3 pa by Sales. Nilo yung bola. One more time. Ano?
Pass to the ball.
Dongdong. Oh! Grabe.
James Miller.
Okay, change player naman po tayo yun. Second batch of teams coming up now. Nandiyan po si number 7, si Amparo. Si number 11, si number 69, si Tagyam at si number 35. Sa kabila naman, nandiyan po si tip 13. Amen. Amen. Number 7, number 20 at si number 23. So complete na po sa team Lakifelas. Okay, eto na. Amparo, Tagyam. Guys, yung Tagyam. Tagyam means business. Sa larong ito ngayon. At meron rin siyang kasama. Kagano, katampag. Ay! Foul ball. Foul number 11 called.
Lucky foul,
Boya.
First personal foul, second team foul, Kabsat.
Okay.
Ugay, pass to
De
the
Gracia again. De Gracia pinapatayan.
then the shoot.
Jump. De Gracia, fadeaway shot. Wala.
Rebound by Silvano, pass
Nakuha
to
po trades. Okay, nakuha. Nakuha po tayo yun. De Gracia, number 35. Nando siyang paro, fadeaway shot. Wala. Nakuha number 11. Number 11, creating space. Wala pa rin.
Pass number 20. Given the ball by Ugay, pass to Gracia. 14. Ugay.
Okay, for 3, go. 69. Number 35. Almost at the ball. 35. 69, number 11. Number 11. Kick to 69. Wala. Foul. So, offensive foul. Ng number 11.
Ball goes to number 11, Boya.
Ang Boya broke for offensive foul.
Third team foul.
Number 20 again. Number 20, 30. Those po sa labangan na po ng team Kapsat.
De Gracia.
De Gracia. Go!
Rebound by
Tagyam. Tagyam. Ngayong awal De Gracia.
And the shoot.
Ugay. De Gracia. De Gracia. Nakalusot. De Gracia. Parang ano? Parang anino. Hindi ka nilulo ba yan? Okay, balik po tayo ngayon at 3 minutes 5 remaining. Sabuero.
Sabuero. Pass to Tagyam.
Pass number 3. Kapos.
Tagyam for hoop.
Again,
Rebound by Tristan.
Nakuha.
Number
Number
20.
20. Nakuha na Tagyam bola. Take pass to Sabuero. Sabuero. Pops up. No. Amparo. Touch slash by Team Lucky Fellas.
Take ball.
Same ball po tayo. Same ball. Team Lucky Fellas po number 11. To number 69. To number 35. Number Tagyam. Nakuha ng pick. Tagyam. Power ball. Fadeaway shot. No.
Rebound by Ugay.
Foul po number 69.
Ball goes to number 69.
For the foul.
First personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Warning po penalty po Team Kabsat. At 2 minutes 16 seconds remaining.
That is
Second
ball by
one.
De Gracia.
Ugay. De Gracia. De Gracia.
Will be the shoot.
De Gracia. Ugay. Pops up.
Ugay.
No. Sabuero pa dito. Place to pass. Nakuha. De Gracia.
De Gracia.
De Gracia. Again. De Gracia. Okay, lamang na lang po ng 8 muli po ang Team Kabsat. De Guzman. Amparo. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound battle won by Team. And touch last. Same ball. Touch last by Team Kabsat.
De Gracia.
De Gracia. De Gracia. Oh. Traveling violation call.
Penalty violation.
Traveling violation called on De Gracia. Again, balik na sa bola. 1 minute and remaining. Tagyam. Tagyam, yung tanga ng bola. De Guzman. Amparo. Ang boy sa galim. Naku, malalim masyado. Okay na po ni Guzman. De Guzman, crossover move. Oh, si Daisy, traveling violation call.
Traveling violation. 41 seconds.
41 seconds remaining. Ugay. Ugay na mag-remaining. Ugay. Ugay, may tanga ng bola, masugay. Again. Pops up. Ayan na. Palpal sa Nandon.
Pass to De Guzman. De Guzman to Amparo.
Paro. Ay! Check ball. 4 on 1 situation.
Ugay.
Okay. Foul ko. Number 69 called for a foul ng Team Kabsat. Shooting for 2. Si Jacob Jake, number 20. Nandun po yan, nandun pa ang sponsor. Nandun po si Iowa Nation at si Luxy Chloe. Pops up. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Si Jacob Jake. Shooting for the second free throw.
Second throw, number 20.
Pasok ang bola.
16 seconds.
16 seconds remaining. 7 points lead ng Team Kabsat. De Guzman.
10.
Pops up. Nope. Ayaw kay Tagyam. Tagyam.
5.
Amparo for 2. Nope. And it's the first half.
End of the second quarter.
Okay, after 2 quarters po, naman pa rin po ang Team Kabsat 33-26 at 7-point lead. Been held now by Team Kabsat. And we'd like to thank the following sponsors. Nandiyan po ang, of course, M23, Luxury by Shanti, Decata Restaurant, Lux Chloe, and Team Iowa Nation. Namin po natin po ang Lombard Restaurant. Ang pababalik po ng Lombard Restaurant, nandiyan na po. Namin po natin ang McDonald's Qatar, MC Cuisine, Janus Gourmet, MC Cargo, Qatar Celebration, MC Kitchen, JPEX TV, Relax Apparel, Coach Mike Movement, John's Barbershop, PLBL, Imprint Advertising, Acrobas Qatar, Kapeng Barako by Lombard, HV Kicks, and many more. Ito po ang hindi naman sikat, hindi ka na makalamat, PSBQ Basketball League. We're here live here right now sa the first season International School in Doha. And you're now witnessing it now, first game of the night between Team Kabsat and Team Lucky. The second
Sa mga nag-uulog dyan, ang sobrang
Okay, Kirinaw.
sari-sari sa
Kirinaw. Oy! Check.
Suportahan natin.
Coach Tay. Nakatayo na rin. Number 9, Kamsat. Okay, kay Master, kay Quinto. Foul! Pushing foul kay Ugay. Foul, number 23 block, cylinder out. Ugay called for a foul. Second. Okay, ito pala si Master. Master. Nakuha sa number 3. Sayang, hindi nakano. Okay, balik ulit tayo. Tagyam. Okay. Let's foul again. Foul again. Again, foul on Ugay.
Third personal foul, Ugay.
Ugay, third person na po niya. Sales. Sales. Quinto. Check ball. Dako pa rin Quinto ang bola. Quinto, nakalusog. Master. Pops up. Bang! Pwede yung pandahan niya sa perimeter siya. Sabi ni Master yan. Okay. Dom-dom. Ugay. Remedio. Ugay. Dom-dom. Dom-dom. Ayun. Nice pass. Pero pasal. Samatar. 2 points. Ito na. Kirinaw. Tagyam. Tagyam. Pinapatayan. Tagyam. 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 Master again. Wala. Rebound pero won by Team Team Langsalan. Nakakuha ni Master bola. Master yung mga Master. Tapos. Foul again. Ugay. Offensive foul rather. Offensive foul. Master go for the offensive foul over Ugay. The score still 35-20. Nakapremyo ang Team Kamsat. Wow, it's getting hot in here. Dongdong. Dongdong. Pops up. Wala. Kirinaw. Malakas. Foul again. Foul again.
Personal foul, person number 24. A third personal foul. Third foul.
Okay, tulputan yun. Sales from King. Foul again. Offensive foul. Number 9 go for offensive foul.
Second personal foul, person number
8 minutes remaining sa third
Third
quarter.
personal foul, second foul.
Ma'am niya po ha, final game number 3 po natin ha. Ugay for 3, wala. Rebound battle 1 by Dongdong. Nice one.
We'll get the shoot. Orellana. Bang!
Baksa. Thanks. 3 points. Saguero. Shoutout sa Tokyo.
We'll get the shoot.
Rodriguez. Nakuha ang bola. Sales. Oy! Sayang. Double.
Substitution. Substitution. What a nice goal, Hans Pogi. Hans Pogi po. Ginawa ka ng double dribble.
Double dribble. Eh na, binalitan mo ni si Hamza. ang kanilang break free.
Alright, number 7.
Hamza, pinapatay na. Remedio. Remedio. Oy! Kickball. Again. Laging football na naman ang basketball.
14 seconds shot clock.
Tagyam, binabalik ito. De Gracia. De Gracia. Remedio, 2 points. Nice fellow shot, Remedio. Tagyam. After the game. No. After the game, wala. Tagyam. Good shot. Wala break. Nako na tagyam bola. Nako na three. Nice big hands by Dumbo. De Gracia against Quinto.
Gracia, the body shake and Sushi.
Ano? Wala. Oy! Holding foul po. Who's for rep? Number 69, holding foul. Substitution na po ngayon. Quinto, nilabas po na parang yung paro. De Gracia against ang paro. Nagmamadali si Gracia. Nakalusot sana.
Eight seconds.
De Gracia. Parko, no, tapos. Naku! Again.
Ball goes to number 69, running for Broadway. Running for penalty.
Pero 4 personal fouls. Amparo, 2 points.
Follow number 7,
2 points Amparo. Ito naman tayo si Dongdong. Dongdong na breaking. Ito na, hop! Nako yung sa bola. Hamza. Tagyam. Tagyam. Ito na Krigo. Tagyam. Hamza. Nice shot. Nice training job by Hamza. How you gonna stop the freight train? It's the name of Hamza. Nobody can stop him.
De Gracia.
Remedio. Remedio. Nakuha. Ano, one more time. Palpal! One more time. Palpal muli! And bola sa kabila. Palpal, tumama na sa kamay at lumabas. Okay, 4 minutes, 2 seconds remaining. The score is 14-32. Again, a comfortable 10-point lead again by Team Kabsat over Team LF Lacapelas. Back to the ball game po tayo ngayon. Ito na. Number 22 o number 69. Number 69. Kapsat. Kulinaw. Pops up again. Bang! Sige! Bang! De Gracia. De Gracia. Thinking 3. Ayaw. Ang extra Tagyam. Tagyam. Pinapagkayan. De Gracia. Dongdong. Dongdong. Pagpan na naman ni Hamza. Amparo. Right on the mark. Sabuero. Ayan talagang nagbigay. Tama tatlo. LF Lacapelas go for the timeout. Hamza back-to-back blocks with the help of Tagyam. Kaya rin nakatulong kasi sa tagyam, kaya medyo nakapayos yung function. Pwede siya mag-play as forward, ibigay na namin po. Ngayon, the second position po Nobel kasi stopping, malaki po, wide body po siya. May support ng footwork. And back to the ball game muli tayo. The score is 47-32. Ang impounding and impending 15-point lead po yan po ng team Kabsat. Ito na po tayo number 23. To number 7. Number 7, may tayo ng bola. Number 7. Ayan na, mga guys. Number 7. De Gracia. De Gracia, pass number 3. No. Ibang barang, malakas. Nagkakala na sila kasi, di ba yung matangkad na babatay sa kanila. They have to change the angle of their shots. Amparo. 22 again. Sabuero. Wala. De Gracia mamadali. De Gracia. Nice swap by De Gracia. Walang takot sa De Gracia. Sinugod niyang kalaban. Parang naku. Pops up. No. Nice one. Ayan. De Gracia again. De Gracia. De Gracia. Amparo. Pops up. Damn. Deliver shooting by Amparo. It's good. Ito na, 49-34 lamang-laman ng labing-lima. De Gracia, wala. Amparo for the rebound. Nakalusot si Amparo. Amparo. Ayaw muna. To Sabuero. Pinigay Tagyam. Amparo, fadeaway shot. Pasok. Fadeaway shot, man. A minute and 37 remaining of the third quarter action. Thank you. Back to the ball game. Okay, Amparo again, pinagbantay muna po, 40 minutes po. 40 minutes been spent by team ni Mr. Hamza. 55 remaining. Finish-man, Amparo again, pasok naman. Amparo, nasa ano ha? Ugay, nakalusot, Ugay, 1-5. Ugay na naman, Ugay. Bang! Sumagot si Ugay. Okay, now team captain. And now Amparo again. Wala. Nakuha. 2 points.
Para wala po lang momentum. Sino ako na nakakata? Yun. Pag-isa.
Okay, nakakaitok yun.
Oo, siya. Bago natin! Game 3! Ayan na! Bago makikimata yun sa akin. Isa ka rin ngayon na. Yes! Wala na natin sila. Thank you, boss. Salamat.
Okay, third, fourth, quarter. Now, final 10 minutes of the game. 25 quarters score po natin and Team Kapsat is dominating the game for the first 3 quarters. Okay, now si Jacob check now to De Gracia, number 7. Number 7. Eto na, pasak tugtog. Wala. Rebound para 1 by number 11. Number 11. Ginawa Di Guzman. Di Guzman. Di Guzman, mutik na. May pagpacking kayo. Di Guzman again. Di Guzman. Mamsa. Di Guzman, foul number 3. Wala. Okay, foul code. Ang crazy code for a foul. Foul po si Dongdong. Dongdong po for a foul. Hamza! Okay. Wag muna, mainit sa loob.
12 seconds to shoot.
And up, number 11 for Black. Wala. Hands for foul code.
And we have a call. Okay, number 49 inside.
Foul. Upo muna siya ng 2 minutes.
Sit down 2 minutes.
Sit-down muna siya po 2 minutes po. Dom-dom, shooting for 2 plus ball possession po yan. Ando po yung the following sponsors. Saan niyo po ang Encoin Restaurant and Ako po.
We have a score from that one.
Isa pa po. Dom-dom, second throw, jump. Dom-dom, second throw. Wala po.
Ready. Second down, set ball.
Okay, pagkatapos po niyan, plus ball possession pa siya.
Yes, mga nagkukulo. Sir Frank Nixon.
Ugay, pops up. Sinabas.
Another rebound. Si Ayoban pa rin. 10 seconds to shoot. Ikasya.
De Gracia. De Gracia.
5 to shoot. 4.
Pedro shot. Go. Huli.
Personal foul.
Huli ka, number 11.
Second team foul. Right to anyone.
Again, wala. Yang. Number 11. Foul. Sinabitan ni Dongdong. Dongdong palitan. Sinabitan ni Dongdong.
Personal foul.
Amboya shooting for 200 po na. Of course, of course, nandiyo po MCQ and MC Cargo. Sama po natin po ng brand advertising. Marami po sila. Okay, Amboya, second throw. Jumpers ready. Pops up. Wala. Rebound. Pero wala dito. Second shot. Wala pa rin. Full foul. Snap one. Tumakas sa speaker.
Okay, sila yung siguro ko tayo. Nalaglag yung ating.
Nalaglag yung bandera natin.
Ayan yung tikit. Ay, wala tikit sa gitna. Tikit pa sa gitna muna.
Nawala yung bandera.
Alright,
Okay, Team Kapsat.
LC, against one of the 25, team number 9. Yeah.
Pops up. Tagyam! What? Put back by Tagyam. Again, De Gracia, number 7. Nagpapatayan. Diego Puchet to De Gracia. Again, to Diego Puchet. Ayun, nice. Pero wala. Patay. Number 22. Number 11 again. Tukot na natin. Sayang. Sumobra sa tukot. Sumobra sa tukot. Nagpako nila sa 40. Take note ha. Ang team LF ha. Off si Daisy. Foul sa baba. Tagyam for sure. Probably foul.
All opportunities, subdivision, the media, subdivision, back on.
Okay.
Silang personal foul. 13 down, another subdivision ng Parang. Number 95. 14 shot foul.
Okay, ito na po tayo yun. Remeo, for two.
Remeo.
Wala. Ayun, sa paro. Nakapatalik sa paro. Ayan, Chequito. 2 points there.
Connect.
Okay, ito na po pinakamalik na mga Kapsat. That's 20 points already.
You guys are
20 point lead by Kapsat. Ito, De Gracia.
Gracia for the win.
Wala.
Errol. Errol rebound. Number 9. Sa
Wala. Wala. Wala na. Tapos na. Out of bounds. De Gracia. De Gracia.
1 minute more. Okay, no
Number
problem.
po.
But reserve.
May side, may
Reserve.
idol. Sabi ni Girion.
Foul. Okay, may foul na.
Number 22 called for a foul.
One
Ugay
minute,
for
one
the
minute.
inbound. 7 minutes left remaining. 64 na yung score po natin. Isang minuto to para kay Kapsa. Tumtum.
Oh, yes, sir.
Paro.
Ang pagdating ng bawalaga.
Kapsa. Look. Yan. Tapos ang paro. Ang paro din. Ugay called for a foul.
Number 23, Ugay pushing
Ugay
back.
pushing foul.
Just call their name. Ugay. Ward personal foul.
Ugay fourth personal foul.
Sayang yung MVP. Perfect foul.
Tagyam shooting for 2. Handog po yan ng HB Kicks. Winag sa Parel and Maharlika Cargo. Sama na po natin pa ang imprenta advertising. Tagyam first shot made. Second shot coming up. Handog po yan ang McDonald's Qatar and ANC Kitchen. Quality pampagana sa iyong apagkainan. No! Takto Tagyam! What?
Yes, sir.
Lay up by Tagyam. Pagka na pagmatagal kahit buwan ng 200 layup. Dugdog, pinabantayan, Ugay, Tagyam. Sama, diba? Papsa. Yes! Gumamit ang ball. 14.
Losing the glass.
Ang shot.
Paro.
Ha?
Paro. Hamza.
Hamza. Papsa. Wala.
Rebound. Panginoon,
Ugay. 2 points, Ugay.
touchdown.
2 points, Ugay. Lamang po ng 11 ang Team Kapsat.
Wow.
May 5:47 remaining. Sales.
Sales.
Amparo.
Paro. Rotation ka. Paro. Para sa tira. Rebound.
Master. Balik muna.
Position 4.
Amparo. Wala na. Out of time.
24 seconds violation.
Out of time. Again, De Gracia.
Russia.
De Gracia, nakawala. Papsa.
And
Wala. Rebound. Pero 1 by Sales. Dom-dom. Dom-dom. Dom-dom.
Yes, sir.
Agyam. Agyam, binabili sa akin, Dugay. Number 7. Sale, sa ilalim. Ginikot mo na. Wala. Hamza, para Petro, kasok ang bola. Para nag-Petro. Oh! Good ball.
Oh, it's just a yellow line.
Dong-dong, back. Wala.
We will be less than 1 is attack. 1 is attack.
Paro.
Amaro.
Paro.
Inalas. Kinalas ko na natin.
I think they will go. Back now.
Okay. Line up. Kamsa. Music.
Okay, Team Tagkapsat go for the
Both
timeout.
teams remain timeout.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the place of wisdom, I can give the baby the eyes on wisdom. If you want to look at my place, your system. If you want to get in the next, just get some. See, I was shooting the rules, but I better make it lose.
Okay, back to the yung muli po tayo. Yes.
Alright, thank you, okay. 4 minutes to go.
iPhone ni Hans. Ugay game for 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Sales. Sales, Kemparo. Binabit ang Ugay. Okay na kusok. Amparo. Bigyan sa tuwa. Amparo. Nagpa-5 minutes more. Again. Hamza. Kapos. Nakuha ni Sales. Nakuha ni Remeyo. Oy! Wala pa rin.
Grabe pa, Margaret sana.
3 minutes 20 remaining.
Revision 20.
Sales. Hamza. Namasan na lang.
10 seconds.
Hoy! Offensive foul. Nandun nga ito eh.
All women number 7. Amparo.
Amparo.
Second personal foul.
Second
Amparo.
personal foul. Amparo. 3 minutes 6 remaining of the fourth quarter action. Okay, balik muna po tayo. De Gracia.
Rotate the clock.
De Gracia again. Dom-dom. Almost saw the ball. Dom-dom. 2 points. 70-point lead. Amparo. Sabiano. Amparo again. Sales. Foul! Foul number 3. Okay, pasok muna si...
Set personal foul. One about penalty.
Saka si Quinto, pasok para kay Sales.
14-2. Foul.
Ang Quinto.
Thank you.
Amparo, malakas.
Nice one, big man.
Okay.
Now.
Ano ba minute po tayo? 6-7-50.
2 minutes and 20 seconds down.
17 ang team Kapsat. Tungkol again. 2 points.
Lumabas ang kilo ng dogs. Issues na.
Kailangan na mag-rally for the last time.
Alright, balik ang bangsa ng Kapsat. Kailangan naman bola. Inaras. Guys,
Amparo! 2 points Amparo. Nice shot by Amparo, ha? Over the screen of Pistons of Hamza. Okay, safety possible na lang to, tansya ko. Okay, safety possible na po ito.
Garcia, oh! Ganda sana ng layup na yun. Malakas lang.
Okay, safety
Para dyan
possible
pa
na
rin
to.
Richard lang po dito.
Quinto.
Kennedy.
Hamza, fadeaway shot.
Sa Kennedy.
Wala pa rin.
Yugay. President. No.
Op!
Oh, nagawin ng dog. Ganda. Don't personal foul. Game na, apat na. Game tuloy mo na. 1 minute and 20.
America 20 remaining, 69-52. Laban po rin po na natin ito ng Team Kapsa.
Oh yeah.
Okay po yun.
Sabi sila, uy! Grabe naman na ito.
Foul po! Take 2. Okay, Team Kapsat on the line. Number 22, Bulinaw.
Question number 7. 7% foul. Penalty.
This free is brought by McDonald's Qatar and MC Gusin. Samahan po natin po ang Janus Committee and MC Cargo. Ang yung padaray laging safe at sigurado. Second shot ni Kulinaw. Sama na po natin po ang Qatar Celebration and also ANC Kitchen Chili Garlic Oil. Walang papagana sa iyong apagkinan. Okay, both shots made. 18 po ang kalamangan po ng Team Kabsat at 1 minute remaining. Kabsat is now looking at to win number 1.
Asian Mackenzie.
Palpag.
Abi.
Again, Amparo. Amparo, 2 points. Nakuha ni Asa. Sabiano, wala. 37 remaining. Quinto.
Ready shoot. 5 shot clock. 4.
Pops up. No. Sabiano. Uy, sayang. Same ball.
Sa kanilang try. 14. Shot clock was 6 to 40.
Pops up again. Wala.
Ang sabi.
Okay. Safety na to. Safety basketball na lang to. 2 points. Number 2, 2 points. 16 remaining.
10 seconds.
10 seconds remaining.
Iyan ka na boss.
Okay na boss. Okay na. Wala na. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, congratulations and first win by Team Kapsat. Final score 70-54.
Thank you guys. Our first game.
Okay, final word from my sponsors.
That's what we say.
And this one. Maraming salamat po. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. And also, winning po. Next game for today will be the second finals match between Janus, DJ Janus, and also maraming salamat po. Thank you for winning the game, Team Kabsat. Yan. Yan, Team Kabsat po. Ayan. Paki-balance po sir, di kayo balance o, iba po dito. Kabilang nyo po, para ano, balance nyo. Okay, thank you. Okay, Team Kabsat win number 1 being posted. At dominating point po yan. Team Kabsat, antay po natin po interview po ng best player of the game. Okay, congratulations Mr. Hamza for winning the shot block king of the game. How do you feel sir right now, sir?
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Yes, I'm so happy for my team. Basically, the important things that we win the game. That's it.
Okay, that's all. Team effort, ha?
Yeah.
And also, what to expect now for your team for your next game?
We will win. Inshallah.
Again, inshallah. We'll win. Okay, thank you, Mr.
We are a
Hamza.
strong team and we will.
Okay, give me a 1 minute to shout at your friends, your loved ones, everything, sir.
Yeah. I will give this win for my family,
Okay.
my wife, my kids, and all my teammates also. We have a good team. They help me to do everything.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Hamza, and have a nice week day po. Thank you. Okay, naman po ang ating POG po, si Mr. Amparo. Sir, sa wakas, nanalo po ang Team Kabsat. Ano masasabi niyo, sir?
Masasabi ko po, kumpiyansa lang at tiwala sa isa't isa bawat player. Kasi maganda po yung hobby sa akin, kaya ginawa ko.
Maganda, nakita na yung kompleto na kayo sa wakas. And stud yan, meron karelyebo talaga sa big man position.
Meron po kasi rebounder, kaya tumira lang, sabi sa akin ng
Oh, tama yun. Dahil si Meron, maraming malalaki kayo. May tagapitos ng bola. Okay nga, ito, ano pa masasabi nyo sa Team Kabsat sa nalalabing laro nyo?
Yun lang po, tiwala lang sa bawat isa.
Okay?
Pagka-open, tira, hindi yung maraming people, kaya nakakaroon ng magandang momentum. Kasi yung pagka tira, hindi ka magkaka-momentum. Kaya dapat kailangan mong kaya ang best mo para magkanasa.
Okay, tanapin natin mo. Okay, 1 minute. Shoutout.
Shoutout po sa aking pamilya sa Batangas.
Ale, Batangas sa LA. O, sige to.
Thank you po.
Yun lang.
Yun lang.
Napakatip ko. 1 minute nga to eh. Sige pa, tatanong pa.
Sa aking mga katrabaho.
Yan.
Shoutout po sa aking pamilya sa Batangas.
Girlfriend mo, asawa mo, kung may asawa ka, shoutout.
Shoutout po sa aking asawa.
Yun! Kasi, sana bumili po. And again, ito ba Team Kabsat? Si Amparo for best player of the game.
Thank you po.